Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. I got home from work today and found my singlesswag box on the porch. Hashtag love yourself. And it had been raining and look, it's just wet. So let's jump on into it and open it up and see what I got. I will leave all the information down in the description below if you're interested in checking out singlesswag so that we can get through this fairly quick. That's what the box looks like. Again, I don't know why we show y'all what's in the box, but here's the card. It says that I can win my next box if I post a photo of my box on Instagram. The nice thing about the cards that come with this is that it shows you here that your box's retail value is $204. I started to say 2004. I don't know where that came from. So the first thing in my box is this pair of socks. These are Standup Socks. And they retail for $18, it says. Treat your feet with these stylish, cozy socks. They do feel really good. They're nice and thick. So those are pretty nice. I believe that it has a little bit of a non-slip. Or maybe that's just a design. Anyway, they're kind of cute. Nice little socks. The next big thing I see is this Lavender Serenity Aromatherapy Diffuser Kit. Vase, oil, and reeds. This is Costa Mesa. And this retails for $38. It is thought to promote lavender aromatherapy. It's thought to promote relaxation, improved quality of sleep, and overall stress relief. I've never really had a lot of luck with these reed diffusers. I can already smell that. It smells really good. That's the Lavender Serenity oil. And then it has the reeds. And then the vase. It has a cute little gray vase. That's cute. Very cute, but I won't use that. So that will go in your giveaway box to go to some happy home. And then their boxes normally always come with jewelry. This is Vertical Collection. Vertical Collective. I stand corrected. Oh, I crack myself up. This is a Alora bracelet layering set. It says it's valued at $46. Sophisticated gold-plated layering set includes a dainty link bracelet with a turquoise charm, link bracelet with round black charm, and a thick link bracelet. Stack all three together or wear them one at a time. And here's what that looks like. It's cute. It's nice and heavy. I like the turquoise, that little bead there. The black one is nice too. This as well will go in your giveaway box because, as you can see, I wear silver with my skin tone. I don't look good in gold jewelry. So I will put that in your giveaway box. And then we have this Naobay Natural and Organic Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream. Aloe vera, green tea, ginkgo biloba, raspberry, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. I thought there was a cat jumping up here. I see a little bunny on the back, so it is cruelty free. Let's see what the card says. This retails for $26 and it's supposed to hydrate the skin without saturating it. It has antioxidant powers of all the ingredients that I read to you. And it is supposed to act as a shield against daily aggressions like pollution, free radicals, and indoor environmentals. So that's nice. I will not use that either. So that's going in your giveaway pile. Seems like I get these subscription boxes so that I can give them to you, right? The next thing we have is this Seraphine Botanicals. Y'all come here just to listen to me try to pronounce these words, don't you? This is Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Scrub. This retails for $24. It is a blend of soft sugar crystals with a rich, nourishing salve base that gently exfoliates and buffs the lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest. Very nice. Doesn't smell like anything, and it has a shrink wrap cover on it, so I am not going to open it because I'm not going to use this either. I don't see anything about whether or not it's cruelty free. It does not say, but it sounds good and I bet it smells good, but I'm going to put that in your giveaway box as well. And then we have this face Bio Serum. It is a natural skincare with amber oil and mineral water. Let's see what this says. It's called Your Amber, and it retails for $48, and it's a concentrated serum that activates the regeneration of cells using the synergy of amber and mineral water, while the rich composition of oils improves the smoothness of the skin. I'm not pronouncing words good today. And that's what it looks like. It's in a little glass bottle. And okay. It has the little spout in it, so it's probably a little dropper bottle, but I'm not going to open that either because this as well is going to go in your giveaway box. And last but not least is food. Singlesswag. Don't feed the hotties. This is a double chocolate soft baked bar. It retails for $4. And it says, calling all chocolate lovers. This bar tastes like chocolate cake, but is actually the perfect guilt-free snack. Keto certified? Really? Keto certified, gluten-free, grain-free, peanut-free, non-GMO, project vegan, verified and vegan. Keto. Now, I normally follow a keto diet, and most of the time these types of things are bad juju. They're full of crap. So let's see what's in here. Almond flour, inulin, erythritol, chocolatey chips, chocolatey chips, it says. Unsweetened chocolate, inulin, erythritol. Am I saying that right? I think so. Cocoa butter, sunflower lecithin. No. Vanilla extract, stevia leaf, cocoa powder, vegetable glycerin, apple cider vinegar is good for you, ground chia seeds, sea salt, natural flavor, baking soda, rosemary extract, mix something, which is to preserve the freshness, so that's a preservative. And then some of the items have an asterisk beside it, which is supposed to be organic. Is this cruelty-free? I need to know if it's cruelty-free. Keto. It has, oh, mama, it's got 17 grams of carbs in it. Nope. Nope. But anyway, there you go. Good to go. Good to go. Keto snack. Don't feed the hotties. Seriously. So there you go. That's everything that's in my single swag for October. I'm keeping the socks for my single feet. Yep. Valued at $204, and I signed up for 6 months, and 6 months on their website says $224.99, but I know I had a coupon because if I remember correctly, I paid like $139 for 6 months. So you can always find a coupon for a huge discount. If you're interested in doing single swag, I'll leave the link down in the description. It's not just for singles. You see any of this stuff, married ladies. I mean, look at these socks. These are perfect for you married girls, because as a single woman, who am I going to pick up in these socks? These socks are not going to help me find a date, y'all. I mean, look at them. They're nice and soft and, you know, but they're not very sexy, okay? Just saying. So there we go. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day to watch me complain about my single sweat. Not really, because it's fine. It's fine. I like it. I even like the socks. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you need a reed diffuser? This even smells like the little thing of oils. It really does smell good. So, a reed diffuser. So every time I hear the word reed, and I know I've been giving you a lot of fishing tips. Have you caught anything since I've been giving you all these fishing tips? Did you see that fly? Reed. Aren't there reeds like in the pond or stuff? Can you pick your own reeds and make your own diffuser? Like, you can make a stink bait reed diffuser for fishermen. Maybe it would attract catfish or something. I don't know. Okay, Mama loves you, boo.